Okay. Hi, honey. Yes. The sunset in your head.
Lucky me.
Yeah, very lucky you. You happy to carry my bag?
Sure.
Yes. Say hello. Gonna put me in my nose again.
I was going to bite your head.
Oh, don't do that. You're not hungry yet there. Hindi ka pa naman gutom. Oh. Sorry. Oh, wow. Look at that. Woohoo.